Okay, guys, so today is the 15th of September, and I want to talk about a pattern that I think is going to affect the price of gold for the next few weeks. Let me explain that. So first, the time frame I use is H4, and for currently we can see that uh, the price is making a new all-time high, so there's no resistance above here. Okay, so the only resistance we have now is the round number resistance, which is this level. But for right now, I think that for the next few days, gold is going to retrace like a lot because we have a pattern of consecutive bullish candles, and you need to know that it's not always to it price will not always to continue to go in one direction. It is some direction, some pullback. Okay, and in the indication is that we can see that they are consecutive, uh, but bullish candle. And if we go back to the past, it has happened before. So around the August, we can see that gold is also making a new all-time high with consecutive bullish candle. And what do you see after that? Gold has retraced like significantly more than 100%, and then it reversed to a bearish trend. Now, breaks this low to make a new low, and breaks this low to make a new low. And so that's it. I really think that for the next few days, gold to retrace a lot, like it has happened before. We will still need some confirmations. We need some more info on lower time frame, because of the fracture of the market. And we can see that after the consecutive candle, there was a bearish candle. So same thing for here is the bearish candle. Uh, okay, so that's it. Make sure to check out and be prepared.